Hi everyone. This is November and we think of autumn and Thanksgiving. So today we're going to be making a fireball pumpkin pie. So what all goes into fireball pumpkin pie? 15-ounce canned pumpkin, 9-ounce evaporated milk. This is 12 ounces, so I won't be using the whole can. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon pumpkin spice. I don't have any, and if you don't have any, I can show you how to make your own. 1 9-inch pie shell, and then the secret ingredient, 3 ounces of Fireball whiskey. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is make our own pumpkin pie spice. I've got a container here to put it in. And I'm going to be making quite a bit, and you can adjust it by cutting back the recipe if you don't want as much. So first thing we're going to do is take 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. Two teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cloves, and you can also adjust this to your taste as well. I'm just following the recipe I found. I may adjust it later on. And this is good whenever you are out of pumpkin pie spice, if it calls for pumpkin pie spice and you don't have any. And 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then go ahead and mix it all together. And there you have your own pumpkin spice. So the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375. And what you want to do if you are using a frozen pie crust, you want to take your baking sheet and put it in the oven while the oven is preheating. And the reason why you want to do that, one is because it is frozen. It will have a nice warm surface to be on. And then the other reason why you want to put this into the hot oven is if you have an old baking sheet with the rims, when it starts to get hot, it will twist. It will already do its twisting before you put the pie in the oven, and you'll have less likely to have any of the pie spill out. So you want to take your 2 eggs and put them in the bowl. And drop the eggshell in the bowl with it. But you can omit that part out. And go ahead and whisk your eggs. And then go ahead and put the rest of your ingredients in. The 15 ounces of canned pumpkin, the 9 ounces of evaporated milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Pumpkin pie spice or pumpkin spice, either name, it's the same thing. And 3 shots of whiskey, or if you're a cook, it's 3 ounces. And then stir until well combined. right, so the pan is heated. We'll go ahead and put our frozen pie crust and listen to that sizzle. And then we'll go ahead and pour our pumpkin pie mix into the pie shell. Then you want to go ahead and put it in a 375-degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. My pan will burn because it slopped over. Ugh, a lot. Alright, so it has been in the oven for 60 minutes. You want to go ahead and take a toothpick and stick it in there. If it comes out clean, then it is done. And you want to go ahead and let it finish cooling and then stick it in the refrigerator to chill for 3 hours. Alright, so here is the Fireball pumpkin pie. I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
Oh, this is really good. Now you made the mix for this?
I did. It has cinnamon whiskey in it.
Mm. Well, I can tell there's a little bit of a cinnamony taste to it, but I don't think that's the word, cinnamony. Cinnamony. But it's not overwhelming. I like this.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.